This video teaches you how to temporarily remove your Facebook profile from Facebook. Go to the Facebook website. It's located at www.facebook.com. If you are already logged into Facebook, this will take you to your newsfeed. Click down arrow. You will see this icon in the top right side of the Facebook page. If you deactivated your account, then no one else can see your profile. Select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. Click your Facebook information in the left column. Drop down and click Deactivation and Deletion in the bottom of the list. Choose Deactivate Account. Then click Continue to account deactivation and follow the instruction to confirm. Type in your Facebook password, then click Continue. Continue to account deactivation and follow the instruction to confirm.
Please like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.